Once you have created your drawing or your templates, you are ready to save your files. AutoCAD has been automatically doing a pre-save as we've moved along, and when you do your initial save option, it's going to require you to name it, so it typically is called Save As. So your icons for save are on that quick access tools. It's going to ask you to save it. It should automatically route you to your documents. If you have folders, like I've got folders, you can pick your folder. And I'm going to name this CAD template. Below that, you'll notice that the last version that it's saving back to is AutoCAD 2018. But we are saving these as .dwgs. These are drawings. Once we save it as a drawing, the backup file will be the same name, but .bak. So you want to know that there are two different drawings. Your final version should be a .dwg, then anything saved previous will be a .bak. I can save this template and I can now go back, start, and I can open that template. I can draw on this template, but then I'm ready to have to save as again to whatever my new file name is. So this is my new drawing, new file. It still needs to be a .dwg file type. But you'll also notice in the list there is a template file type, .dwt. So if we were creating this so that we could open it directly from the standard template list, we could save this as a .dwt. It will place it with all of AutoCAD's templates. I'm going to hit cancel. So that if I go to the start option and I say new, I can browse the templates and I could find that CAD 100 template that I just created. And all of the information for layers that I created will be in that template.